The health benefits of green tea. Before the rest of the world knew green tea health benefits, the Asian tigers had long imbibed its refreshing natural flavor. According to the herbal healing experts, the best quality green tea leaf comes from the Shizuoka region in Japan. The consequence of drinking diet green tea is that the residents of these environs have less incidences of cancer as compared to their counterparts living in other parts of Japan. Drinking green tea reduces the rate of cancer provided it should not be green tea caffeine. To purchase a refreshing brand of this cup of medicine, a person needs to buy it from trusted vendors and specify the special type like sencha tea. This tea contains over 100 different ingredients that make it the most successful tea story. Other green teas are Banchara Ocha, and these can be bought from a natural health food store in most neighborhoods. Green tea recipes. There are many ways you can take the green tea for health benefits. While some prefer iced green tea, others simply love the traditional way to have it. There are many green tea recipes, but its maximum benefit can only be felt in the method that is used to prepare it. To be able to drink 2 cups of this healthy tea, a person needs to use about 1.5 teaspoons of the green tea extracts in water that has already been pre-boiled and left to cool off. The water should be poured over the green tea only after it has stopped bubbling over. After no longer than 45 seconds, and using a sieve, pour tea into the desired teapot. The tea leaves should not be discarded as they can be prepared again in the same way. Making a habit of drinking it regularly, you certainly get green tea health benefits, including curing of many lifestyle diseases. Studies have shown that fresh and good green tea is responsible for maintaining healthy teeth and gums as compared to its more preferred black tea counterpart. It has also been known to boost the healthy functioning of the liver. This is because the antioxidant properties found in green tea keep the liver healthy enough to keep the whole body free from harmful toxins that lead to conditions such as the much dreaded cancer. What is green tea good for? The relationship between drinking green tea and the reduction of cardiovascular diseases is brought about by the fact that it reduces the amount of cholesterol surrounding the heart. This keeps the heart functioning at optimum and free from illnesses like high blood pressure that may later lead to stroke or other life-threatening heart conditions. This is further augmented by the fact that drinking green tea keeps the blood flowing freely without forming unnecessary clots in the circulatory system that can prove fatal in the long run. The benefits of green tea include good help in keeping arthritis at bay and also alleviating the pain in those suffering from this crippling condition.